Hello everyone. I'm going to talk today about our research. Profile analysis in clustering with Hotelling's T-square statistics. I plan to speak for about 25 minutes. I will be glad to answer any questions at the end of my presentation. So, please hold your questions if you have any. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Retnosari. I am from Department of Mathematics Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, Universitas 11 Maret. And my team, Alfian Futuhul Hadi, Department of Mathematics Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, Universitas Jember. And Gusti Ngurah Adiwibawa, Department of Mathematics Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, Universitas Halulio. Presented on International Conference Mathematics and Mathematics Education. Next, this article is dedicated to Prof. Dr. Ahmad Ansori Maci, which is former Chancellor of the Bogor Agriculture Institute, for guiding the author in writing this dissertation and providing lectures on the philosophy of science. Next, I like to give you a brief outline of my presentation. This subject can be looked at under the following headings: 1. Background. 2. Material and methods. 3. Result and discussion. 4. Conclusion. And finally 5. Acknowledgement. Next, now let's move to the first part of my talk, which is about background our research. Cluster analysis is carried out to partition a set of objects into two or more groups based on the similarity of their spatial characteristics. It's important to validate the result of these clustering methods to obtain the best partition that fits the basic data. This process, which is known as profile analysis, is carried out by assuming the object's profile is multidimensional and composed of several components with the composing variable expressed as feature vectors. Equivalent profile analysis with mixed ANOVA is a part of hypothesis testing used to determining the mean value of multiple multivariate using the graph principle. The F statistic was used in the statistical profile analysis based on Hotelling T-square and T-statistic. Meanwhile, in this result, a discussion was conducted on profile analysis is clusters using the best known versions of Hotelling's T-square statistic. Next, material and methods. Material T, F, and multivariate normal distribution. Hotelling T-square is essential because it aids in distributing a set of statistics that are a natural generalization of underlying students' T distribution. This process involves undertaking tests to determine the differences between the multivariate means of varying populations, where univariate problems utilize a t-test. It is proportional to the F distribution and named after its developer, Harold Hotelling. Students T distribution is calculated as follows. Z distribution, normal 0, 1, and V distribution chi-square, degree freedom V, where Z and V are distributed from the transformation, assuming they are independent. This is formula. Student T distribution with freedom degree of V expressed by T capital T degree freedom V. This is formula. Next, F distribution. If V index 1 chi-square distribution, degree freedom V index 1, and V2 distribution chi-square V index 2 all independent, then random variables. This is formula. Has the following probability density function for x greater 0. This is formula. This is known as Snedeker's F distribution with freedom degree V index 1 and V index 2 and expressed by X F distribution, freedom degree V index 1 and V index 2. Multivariate normal distribution. A pair of continuous random variables X index 1, X index 2, blah blah blah, X index n is said to have multivariate normal or k-normal variate distribution, assuming the joint distribution has the following form. This is formula. With X apostrophe, mu apostrophe, and V, and for mu index E, covariance matrix K cross K. This is formula. Next, methods. This is a theoretical research consisting of journals, discussion, forum, workshop, and textbook on rainfall in Indramayu, West Java. The related material examined in the hypothesis, the Hotelling distribution T square, and its relation to profile analysis. Several steps we take to reduce the multivariate normal distribution T and F distribution used in this result. Describe the hypothesis and relate it to the T and F distribution. Steps were also taken to prove hypothesis, to profile alignment, coincide, and perform analysis of results. Next, and result and discussion. Profile analysis. In the profile analysis, the following 3 questions all proposed to be tested through a hypothesis, namely profile, alignment, coincide, and alignment. A. Is the mean value profile between treatment groups similar or parallel? Hypothesis 1. If similar, all the mean value profiles of the treatment groups at the same level or coincide? Hypothesis 2. If similar, does the mean value profile of the treatment groups be at constant level for each treatment group or have the same? Hypothesis 3. Next. Question A, question B, question C related to the interaction between treatment group with a certain distance, assuming they possess parallel of average treatment. Question B related to the similarity hypothesis of the effect of each treatment on the each group which tends to be similar, assuming the average to its treatment in the same. Question C related to the overall treatment that has the same average for each group. The three hypotheses will test sequentially and assuming the false hypothesis after being tested turns out to be rejected. The test for hypothesis 2 and 3 will no longer apply. Hypothesis test is given in the text description. Next, hypothesis testing in profile analysis. The general model in profile analysis expressed in the matrix equation is formula where x, b, and epsilon denote the design parameter and error matrices with dimension n cross e, e cross p, and n cross p. Meanwhile, y is a matrix of dependent variables dimension n cross p. Also, p, e, and index e, and n all the numbers of dependent variables treatment observation in the treatment E and is the total number of observation. The matrix is picture. Based on the general form model, hypothesis testing is arranged as follows. Coincidence test, the general form the hypothesis from the coincide test is as follows. This formula profiles a coincide with its order, assuming the total of the mean value of its population is the formula. The form of the hypothesis is hypothesis 2 in formula, which is examined after the parallelism test of the hypothesis is rejected. The test statistic for coinciding hypothesis with two independent samples from the population is written as follows, this formula. Next, similarity test or level. If parallelism and coincide are acceptable, then the mean factor of mu from two normal population is estimated using n index 1 plus n index 2 observation with the formula written as follows, this formula. If the profile is the same, then mu1, mu2, mu p, and the null hypothesis is written as follows, this formula. And the test statistics for f, this formula, the null hypothesis is rejected if f greater f table. Application. The profile analysis application was determined at 27 rain gauge stations in Indramayu Regency based on the data from rainfall observation from this is to 2000. This process was carried out using the Zoom formation technique with the clustering algorithm by previously conducting principal component analysis (PCA) to reduce the data variables, complete linkage method, and distance calculation using Euclid distance. The process clustering rainfall obtained 5 PCA with a total diversity. Table 1 shows that the four main components of 99% led to the formation of 3 new clusterings. A complete description of this clustering was explained in the research carried out by Saputra et al. Application continue. Clustering, 3 cluster, rainfall station this table. The plot of the 3 clusters is shown is figure 2 visually. Indicated similarity. Furthermore, profile analysis can be queried similarities between cluster. Next, the rainfall clustering mapping is shown in figure 3. This is picture. Look at the picture, please. 3 clustering. Lastly, the category of wet, humid, and dry month is arranged as shown in table 3. It is based on Smith-Ferguson with dry, humid, and wet month having rainfall. This is category. Okay. Please look at the table. Okay, finally, I will summarize my presentation. Let's summarize briefly what we have looked at. This is conclusion. Data plots are carried out to compare groups of 3 patterns in profile analysis visually, namely profile alignment, coincidence, and alignment with the flat axis. Weights are validated using Hoteling's T-square statistical test. Furthermore, there are several advantages associated with the t-test. For instance, the type 1 error rate is adequately controlled with the relationship between multiple variables taken into account to generate an overall conclusion despite the inconsistency of multiple or single t-tests. In conclusion, Hoteling's T-square statistical is used to summarize a t-test show variable difference between groups. Acknowledgements. The author are grateful to the Mathematical Subcomputing Research Group for their moral support and incisive comments in improving this article. The research described in this paper is supported by a fundamental grant from the Research and Community Service Institute of Universitas 11 Maret through a letter of agreement for the implementation of the research implementation of the non-APBN Fund number 260 UN 27.22 HK 700/2021. Well, your keen attention to join the presentation. Bye.